Right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chung Day.
When it comes down to a male though, what's your type?
Loyal.
Loyal.
Yeah, consistent.
Jamaica, stop!
Why your big toe look like that?
Why your shoes dirty?
Sure, come never prepare for this.
Well, you
I'm
shouldn't
just
be
a
coming
pass
out here
through,
trying to talk about
But at least
anybody.
my toe no look so.
And if you take off your boxes, there's a skid mark. So you
What?
just calm down.
It's never like, oh, she come in and she advance still.
You don't like my outfit?
No, I mean, I like.
Why you not like my outfit?
What's your type?
I'm a sucker for a dreadhead. I love a man with tats. Someone that's taller than me, at least.
Where would you take me on a first date?
Bringing a ghetto.
I'm here trying to get out of the ghetto and you're trying to take me back.
No, your excursion, baby.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, I didn't expect the balloon I find love. Birmingham, you ready? Yo, my dear Birmingham people, you see it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. You see me? The last time I cut the video short, yo, big up Brixton. No joke. Don't leave the postcode again. Me a forward back, you see it? Make sure on a big up Tasty Jerk. You see it? Because them are the main sponsor for today. Make sure when you come Erdington, Birmingham, when you ask for Tasty Jerk. Jerk chicken, curry chicken, fried chicken, and them have rabbit. You see it? Yeah. Make sure you ask for the lamb. Them not a rabbit. Them have lamb. Yeah? Lamb. Make sure you ask for the lamb because of the special. You see it? Tell them if you know really special. That are the jerk chicken with the lamb and thing. Yeah. Them are going to do, don't know. Yo, the man them. When a girl walk in and you don't like her, what you do? And if you like her, what you do? No, but what if you don't like her? All right, no problem. All right, then. In the comments below, tell me, which county is the best, all right? So Birmingham, show up. Got it like all the time chips. Banana chip. All right, so people, I want my hug. I need it because last time when I upload the video, you guys liked the video. Big man thing, I not even did that for asks on a like it. Can we get 10,000 likes before 24 hours? Can we get 10,000 likes? Everybody just like the video. Everybody from Birmingham just like the video. Can I get a hug, please? Okay. You're so tall, bro. He get so tall. He grew quick like you have a growth spurt. Yo. All right, man, them ready? Yeah. Yo, don't forget my main sponsor, Tasty Jerk. When I never know, like when I come England, Tasty Jerk say, yo, you can't do England and we are linked from Jamaica. We are big up Tasty Jerk from Jamaica. You see it? And we're there now, and a plate of food just lining up. Oh gosh, man, the jerk chicken and the... Oh gosh, yo, remember, Birmingham, Erdington. My always, yo, they name them and they'll stop like them. They must stress me out. You see it? Up here, I don't know, every time you drive, you get ticket. And the traffic, them now move fast. One, two, no. You see it? The man, them ready? Yeah. All right, then. We are bringing the first female, all right? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Good, thank you.
Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chung Day.
Hi. What type of work do you do?
I am an artist and a mother, content creator, and a chef.
All right, that's good. When it comes down to a male though, what's your type?
Loyal.
Loyal.
Yeah, consistent. That's perfect for me. Trust and believe. Yeah, loyalty is a big thing for me.
Loyalty.
Consistency is everything for me. And a man that knows himself is everything for me.
And when you say knows himself, what do you mean?
A man that knows who he is, he knows his capabilities, he knows what he can do from what he can't do.
Same word.
Yeah, he knows his self-worth.
All right. What's like a red flag for you though?
A liar. You shouldn't be afraid to tell the truth. Who can beat you?
Okay.
Yeah.
True. And like when it comes down to a first date, what's a perfect first date a male can bring you on?
It depends on the vibe that we connect on. So we could do anything from basic walking to eating a good food, traveling, quad biking. It just depends on the vibe that we meet on.
That sounds good. That sounds good. Can you shout out your social?
Chungdi, that's XHUNG, Delta Echo Echo, all over the place. Spotify, YouTube, all them things, Instagram, and so on.
All right, so we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. All right, good.
Yes, thank you.
All right, let's go. Right here. Let's start with right here first. Your name, social. Why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, man, a Shane VII, Instagram. That alone me depend, me not depend nothing else. But yeah, man, I content creator thing, me can't deal with that.
You can't deal with the
Yeah,
content
yeah,
creator.
man.
Do you know what I create in content?
No, but me no need me girl online.
You don't want a woman online?
No.
Oh, you want an invisible princess?
Yes, man.
That suits
What
yourself
I'm
very
doing.
great. All right, Aladdin, do you think?
Also, basically, you know, want her on social media.
Yeah, man, me not deal with that.
Okay.
Just strictly WhatsApp.
Well, that can work, but you know, she no need to do out there. So you see what I'm saying?
Okay. And how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
She not bad looking, you know, but I give her 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, man, 7.
Why you give her 7 though?
A good looking woman, man. She look good, but I just a content creator thing. Can't run.
Okay, thank you.
Is she your type though?
She said no.
No.
Okay. What do based on his appearance though, how much would you rate him
I
from 1 to
like
10?
how you actually carried yourself. You look quite sophisticated, quite clean. It's a shame that you don't have that level of confidence to be with someone that's outside, but you know, we all fit in our own categories.
You work on it, man.
Yeah, you work on the insecurity there.
All right then, let's go down the line. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Bird, one bird on the app. No. But basically, what I say, she nice looking. I mean, know her, but me just never like how she come in and when she advance still.
You don't like my outfit?
No, I mean, not like.
Why you not like my outfit?
Because, yeah. You expose too much of the thing. Isn't it?
Exposing too much of it?
No, seriously, pan a big Malvi. You're nice looking. I mean, no, I'm still not rolling, but I just never like how
you
she
never like
dress.
my outfit. I did pick this one for you, Burley.
No, man. No,
Sorry about that,
sir.
sweetie.
I mean, you pick it for?
Next time I get it right, darling. I think you would have liked the little, you know?
No, man.
No, next time I get it
but
again.
You know, as I say, the gentleman say, I'm give her a 7. I give her a 7 still.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, give me a 7
I
of
give her a 7.
brighty.
I'm like, no, seriously. I'm like, look.
Yeah, look on.
Yeah, sweat too.
I'm
Yeah,
hot
but
as
just
hell
put on
in
the
here,
fun and
yeah,
just
but I
say, you know
can't
what
because
I
of the
say?
sounds. Yeah, that's all
How
gone.
much, what is she a type though?
No. Just the complexion, but I know my type.
Oh, the complexion. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
What do you think about him based on what he said and his appearance?
He's a decent person, and friends would be the absolute reach.
Oh,
yeah.
friend zone him instant.
Yeah.
Based on what?
Based on the knowing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
based on the knowing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, friend zone.
Yeah, love that. Love the friends.
Mm-hmm. For life, man, you talk about. Yeah.
All right, come to this side. No more pops. All right, so the man named without a balloon. Walk with grace for me now.
Mm-hmm. Walk
right.
with grace.
Circle up more. Please like the video. Thank you. All right, so it's down to you right now.
Mm-hmm.
Pop 2 male balloon based on appearance.
On appearance?
Yeah.
Whatever.
It's 2.
On appearance. I mean, you guys, you look nice. I think
Alright.
everyone's made a decent effort, and yeah. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Okay. That's what we'll come down to.
Okay. Yeah. I got
Just
this
2.
one.
All right.
Can't do it. Remember, Papa. Lord fire.
No.
I mean, know everything I pop off for me in it, or should I go? This is difficult.
One more.
Birmingham nice, you know.
Ooh. All right, man. All right. This side. Gonna come right here first.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah. My G, your name is Social.
Yeah, man. So champagne, you see me?
All right. Why you kept your balloon all along though?
Love her yellow hair, you see it? Yeah, man. I can't tell she's a spiritual woman too, you see me? Yeah, man. That's all.
Oh, yellow, your favorite color?
Yeah, man. I'm a spiritual as well, you see me? So the way she talk, you can tell she's spiritual, you see it?
Oh, spiritual, like what you mean?
Give him back one balloon
earthly,
there.
man.
Give him back one balloon there.
Earthly, you see me? Nature.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Why you pop his balloon?
I was struggling to decide, and I just, yeah. I have no valid reason because you're very handsome yourself. You're dressed nice. You look good. You're still good. You look after yourself. And now that you've mentioned that, I kind of want to give you back a balloon.
But it's up to
I
him.
know.
It's up to him right now to accept it, you know?
Yeah.
That's it. My G, are you going to accept her?
No, I'm good.
You say don't take it L already.
Yeah,
Jesus, Father, I'm sorry about that, Beers. Yeah.
So you know anything,
Facts.
pop it.
Definitely.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Give her a 8 still, that's it.
Mhm.
You thought that?
Yourself together good and a year shot.
Thank you, baby.
Confidence, isn't it?
Thank you.
What do you think about him based on his
10.
appearance? 10?
10. Very clean. Your mother proud of you. Mm-hmm.
All right. Wasn't that much, my G? Or could Grace? All right. Go on to this one. Your name, social?
Yeah, you know, so it's Case or Case Cavalli and the app, you know, going already. So,
All right. All right. So, why you kept the balloon all along?
You know, you gotta give everybody a chance, innit? You get me? You can't rush the process. So, let me just hear her out and see what she is, you know?
Cool. Why you pop
looks
his
like
balloon?
trouble. You know, like problem. I mean, I'm not type no Eddie. You can't know he's a mother.
Glad you know.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
A 10.
10.
Yeah.
What you like about him?
Genuine. You can see that he's got a good heart.
Based on his look.
What? How my
He's
problem
trouble.
about
Head and heart is not aligned.
Mine in line, that good. You know that already, but okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's saying in a line. All right, based on her appearance though, how much would you rate her?
You know, get a 9 still. She look good. Yeah, me, I like the hair thing as well still. I like when
Thank
the girl in
you.
pop out, so. Yeah, man, she look nice, man.
Is she a type?
Is she my type? Yeah. Nah, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, she my type still. You know what I'm saying? I know, so I like all the women, you get me, so.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so she.
Yeah.
Was it that much? Or could Grace come on? Come on to the
So
side.
like we get some drum and bass back here.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. No
My
boy.
G, your name social?
You know, say one scuba bling, you know what I mean?
First you have to tell me why you kept the balloon.
You know, say nice girl, I understand, beautiful, look good, ear shot, you understand, as Sonny say. But you know, I'm a musical sister, yeah.
So why you pop the balloon now?
Too much compliment are going over that side, you see it? So we have to just, yeah. You know
You feel like she give you too much compliment?
Alright, you see it? Yeah, man. So we just,
Wow, so you have a problem with that?
I can't get too much compliment. So I have pop the balloon outside. Can't work.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Nah, man, she's a solid 9, man.
Good. How much would you rate him?
Same. I'm giving you. Me would I give you a 10, but I'm take away 2 now. Yes, I get 8.
Why? Why 8?
Because you should have popped that shit from the get go. You understand? Come on, we as bad man time when I'm joking.
Okay. All right, my G, was it that much? Or could you get someone now? All right, so we're down to a few right now. So you're gonna get a chance to ask them some question. Forget to know them. I'm gonna ask them their name. Good. We're gonna start with right here. All right. All right. My G, your name social?
Kane _66.
Any question for him?
Are you single?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. Your name social?
Lord God. One Lord God bunny up.
Question.
What's your 5-year plan?
For bossing of the music, because you don't know we're artists, you know the thing go. We do thing for Brumtown, same way, you see it. So that's my 5-year plan, nothing else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Any more question for him?
No.
No? All right, my G, you get a chance to ask her a question now.
What is your 5-year plan?
Literally the exact same thing as you, to boss into the music business, to attract the generational wealth, and to just set my daughter up.
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's my question.
Good. All right. This side. My G, you get a chance to ask her a question.
So what are you looking for?
My forever home. I'm being serious as well. It's just cheesy, but it's true.
You're forever home.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
Home is where the heart is, right?
Good?
Yeah, cool.
All right. My G's, it's up to your owner right now. Are you keeping your balloon?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my balloon strong. No reason to pop it right now.
All right. Are you keeping yours?
No, me I go pop mine. Reason being, I don't feel like we can do the same job as an artist because me know the the music go, especially for the female. Me know how much like the producer them and them thing they try to go for the female them.
And so?
And me no feel like me can live with that. As you see when I say me an artist, me know the thing go.
Okay.
I'm here the man.
Yo, you do the same like.
It would be better you pop it because as a man, knowing that I'm a female artist, you should be more inclined to make sure you're stepping with me to make sure that I'm good in certain environments. You understand what I'm saying? And furthermore, as a woman that knows herself, you shouldn't be concerned about them things. You should be knowing that you knows how to carry herself.
That are true.
You understand? Because if that was the case, I would have been way over there and I'm still here.
True.
Aye.
But really, I don't know. That are just my preference as a
Absolutely.
You just feel like
we in the same lane. I just want me to say, I just know the artist game.
so you feel like you could have just her.
All right, for me the out there. I mean, in the pan media and everything. Me just don't want my partner to be like that.
Like you.
You see what I mean? Yeah. Me don't want that because my woman have to be different from me.
But man and woman don't do the same things anyway.
But if we had the music, it'll go be the same thing.
All right, then you have a pop your ball.
That was a low blow. That too low for me. Fun and jokes aside, that could never happen. Producer, A&R, anyone, that would never happen.
All right. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
10 man. I never did say.
No, I know what you're saying, babe, but I put it out there straight because it's unfortunate for female artists. We go through a lot of that. Do you get what I'm saying? And to fight through it, it's very difficult. Do you understand? And we need more of you guys to have our backs in this. You get what I'm saying? Set a precedence. You understand? But you are man, you have to protect us.
Yeah, that's true.
She have a point.
She have a point still. But you don't know the thing goes. She know the music
forever.
Game.
Come on, lift it up.
10. Is she a type?
All right, music. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about what he said and how much would you rate him?
He's correct to a degree. Obviously, not me in person, but I understand his concerns.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much would you rate him though?
It's a 10. I one lad got it top, but outside, fully active.
Is he your type?
No, because he's fell short with his mentality, the way he thinks.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Wasn't that much Maggie or Kid Grace? All right. So we're down to 1-on-1 right now. All right. So you're gonna ask him questions. He's gonna ask you questions until I say stop. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's go, Maggie. Come over more. Yeah. All right then. You first, Maggie.
You got kids?
Yes. One daughter.
Okay.
Do you have children?
Nah.
Would you like children?
Hopefully in future, yeah.
Okay. He doesn't know that.
More question for her.
I don't know what to ask you. So you live in Birmingham, yeah?
Yeah, I'm from Birmingham.
Okay.
What do you like to eat?
I'm not really a fussy eater, you know. How old are you?
34.
Okay.
How old are you?
40.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Good? You good? No more questions?
I mean, not really much question, you know.
Any more question for her?
I don't think so,
Not
no.
on top of my head right now.
Okay. Can I go ahead?
Yeah, you do your thing.
All right, let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, first person. Let's do it. All right, let's go. Is that much for you?
Yes.
It's that much for you?
It's a match.
It's that much for you?
It is.
Sorry, Father. Go ahead. All right, come on. My G. Is that much for you?
It's a match, though.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, it's a match.
We have a match, so we have a match! Yeah! So get up! Get me up! Yo! All right, then we can walk again. Walk. Ooh, let's go, bro! Let's go, bro! Yes! Let's go! Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, so people, like the video. In 24 hours, I need 10,000 likes. Can we do that? My G, we can do that? Yeah. Yo, if them believe, me believe, alright? Remember, we want to go east, south. No, we go south already. East, west, and north, is it? So connect me if you don't want to be apartheid. And Manchester Lord. So just send me a message to be a part of the lineup, alright? So the next videos are going to be females lining up, alright? Sorry. Good? Make sure to leave a like. Remember, my main sponsor, Tasty Jerk chicken, fried chicken, curry. Jeez, I'm hungry. Let's go! Yeah. Look forward. Wait until she reach out to her. Yeah? Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
I'm Latea. I don't know what else to say, not gonna lie.
Okay. What type of work do you do?
I'm a full-time law student at the moment.
Alright. And when it comes down to a male though, what's your type?
I'm a sucker for a dreadhead. I love a man with tats. Someone that's taller than me, at least. At least.
Okay. Alright then. And what's a red flag for you though?
Too many baby moms.
Too much. What? I not even hear what you say.
Too many baby moms.
Oh, too many. Oh, baby mama. Okay. Alright. I wanna know, like, what's a perfect first date though?
I'm not really a fussy person. Like, I don't mind a cheeky restaurant.
Yeah.
Maybe even a cinema date.
Alright.
I don't know.
Okay. Can you shout out the social?
My Instagram is _.LateaX. So is my TikTok, I think.
Alright, so we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Whose side do you want to start with first though?
You can start on this side.
Right side? Okay. Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Shane, and she said I'm too short, so that's why I'm popping.
She never say you too.
She said she want a man taller than her, and me I look on her and dog can't size up.
Okay. Based on her appearance though, how much would you rate her?
A good 9. She had edge over to 10, but short man.
Is she a type?
Me like her glasses too, and who don't like her last student.
Oh yeah, like, to get out her.
She graduate free liar.
Oh, free liar. Any problem?
Right.
Oh, you like tall females?
One tall girl.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
We just have to behave ourselves, and I'm gonna give you a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 7?
Because he's short.
Wow. Alright, cool. Let's go down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One bird lad on the app. No. When I pop the balloon, she's my friend daughter, innit? And I know her from she was a kid.
Oh.
So basically,
you grew her.
They call it a me grew her. So basically, me can't look there, so. You understand me? I say, but she's like my family, same. You understand?
Respectfully.
Yeah, so I always love her and give her respect because her father passed away, innit?
Alright then, cool. Good?
Yeah.
Alright then, let's go down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Sunny Champion. Yeah, she love tall man. I'm a short. You see me? She pretty though, love her dimples them. But she looks soft in her bed, dog. Me nah lie. You see me? Come like she squeal. Meow. I'm a cat. You see me? She looks like, you see me, dog? Yeah.
She looks soft in her bed?
Yeah, man. Just, yeah.
How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
10, man. She pretty, but yeah, she look like she just squeal. Okay.
What do you think about what he said though?
One, you're short, and then you just made it worse mentioning how you feel like I am in bed. Like, you could have said something else. So that just puts me off you more than I was already put off you. Like, your mindset, that's not for me. Sorry.
Fair enough. Yeah.
Oh, so you said that's out of pocket. Him saying about squeal.
Yeah, man.
You could have went for anything else, and then
fair enough, baby man. That's alright.
How much should you rate him from 1 to 10?
maybe a 5.
Fair enough. Sorry about that.
Okay, let's go down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Say squabbling. She said 200 and short and all of this. Nice girl, Dimples. I nickname that from today, yeah. Yeah, man.
What's your name, Dimples?
But other than that, that's why dreaded, we don't have that,
I mean, you got hair, that's enough. But it's just
specific. I see some short.
Yeah.
But that's how you go, my friend. You know what I mean?
And you would grow dreads for her?
No, sir.
Why not?
Really, that's how you go still know that. But you know what I mean? Hey.
No.
Yeah, we training on that.
No, come on here now.
But anyway, style. But no, we're not go dread with it. That's me. That's why I love my Chentan.
Trenta?
Love my Chentan. I mean,
What?
I mean, jerk pork, man. Everybody like
you eat pork.
Careful, yeah. You're not trouble.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
Alright, good with that.
Alright, let's go down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Lord God. I'm gonna look down the line. I mean, I shot this thing. I should have like shot, man. So yeah, that that made me pop my balloon.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
10 because she educated, she look good. That's it.
Is she a type?
Me short, but she can't be my type.
No, like
beauty wise, yeah, she beautiful. A beautiful woman is what I say, but height and not my type because she too tall for me.
Okay. Think about him and his
Like,
appearance.
aside from the height, you aren't bad. It's just the height. It's just
And you won't bend that.
no.
But just
No.
bro, she said just
I can't.
I climbed off tree at Jamaica.
I'm not a tree. I'm not a tree.
You're a 10.
How much did you rate him?
I'll give him an 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, respect.
This side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, man, Kesa Cavalli. And Jesus said too much baby mother in it.
Bro, you have dreads, bro.
She said too much baby mother and can't bother with the argument.
So you feel like say your baby mother them are go cause
No, they're good, but you know when you have to go check the baby mother them and then she'll go say, oh, you're there with your baby mother again.
No, that was never the issue.
So what's the issue then?
You know, we're not going to do this on YouTube.
I choose still.
how much should you rate her from 1 to 10?
Oh, she's nice, you know what I'm saying? She's slim. Give her a 9 still.
9. Is she a type? Is it?
Brother.
Okay. What do you think about him and his appearance? How much did you rate him?
You know, you could get a 7 or 8, but there's just too much baggage.
Can't bring it to the airport.
No.
Bro, she good, man. I carry all of
I'll
mine
get
myself,
charged
bro.
extra.
Okay.
No, you're not gonna get charged, man. I pay for it myself. You're good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, alright, good. Alright, come down to this side. Alright. So everybody pop them balloon. It wasn't how much today? Walk it grace, alright?
Thank God.
Bro, you're the only dreads in our lineup. Oh God. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yeah, make sure to leave a like, people. You know, say, if you don't like the video, you gotta just mother for fashion over. Cause when you not tell me say the drips them are dripping now. When you not talk to me, I wanna just when I give me some backhand compliment. Me not like that. You see it? Me not give back no hug because I want you to tell me how much I rate it from 1 to 10. You see me? Yeah. Big up the visual person, crank up. You see it? I be wait, what? Why you have to what that girl them? Why? Yo, the man them on ready? Yo, Birmingham energy is up there, people. County you call it. Tell me which county are the best. You see it? So we got London, we have Birmingham now, Manchester, East, West, South, we go South. You see, East, West, North, we're forwarding. You see, send me a message. Remember, me and sponsor, Taste Jerk, Bad. Please like the video. Thank you. Right here, come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Hiya. My name is J Love.
Okay. What type of work do you do though?
I'm a content creator full time.
Alright. And when it comes down to a male, what's your type?
I like a man that's stern,
Mm-hmm.
that dresses good, can
Okay.
cook, independent within himself, and has his thing going on.
Oh, like an independent guy.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then. What's a perfect first date for you though?
A perfect first date for me, I would say dinner
Yeah.
and vibes.
Vibes.
Yeah.
Any vibes.
Obviously the vibes that he gives off to me.
Oh, like
but
the energy.
But like energy, yeah.
Oh, what's a red flag when it comes down to a male though?
I don't really like a guy that smokes,
Okay.
and I don't really like guys that are shorter than me,
Oh, short.
and yeah.
Oh, that's it? All right then. Just shout out your social.
My name's JLove London. My Instagram is JLove London. My TikTok is JLove London, and my YouTube is JLove London, and that's spelled JAYLVELDN.
All right. So we got a pop. We're gonna find out why I'm pop the balloon. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Lord God, bunny happy, yeah? You know why I'm pop the balloon. Me shorter than you. That's it.
How tall are you?
Me not about 5'4.5". I put on the half body.
I'm 5'6".
So you're taller than me. So that's why I'm pop my balloon.
Okay.
Nothing else.
All right. Based on her appearance, though, how much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
She come out. She dressed for the occasion, so 10.
10.
Yeah, man.
Is she a type apart from you say?
She look good. She's a female. You know the style, so yeah, man.
What do you think about what he said and how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah.
How much would you rate him though?
You're just short, man. I'll give you a 7.
Good with that.
7.
Yeah, man.
Good. Alright, wasn't that much, my G? Or could you give someone else? This side? How no more? Alright, so you have a choice. I'm giving you an option. 2 options, alright? Either you wanna ask the guy's question or pop 2 male balloon based on appearance. Which one you wanna go with?
I'll pop 2 male.
Okay, let's go. Pop 2 male balloon based on appearance.
How do I pop?
Just squeeze it. Okay. One more. Just one more. Oh, stay. Come to this side. All right. He was first. My G, your name again?
Sure.
Why you kept the balloon all along?
How do you know?
The guy look good, man, so, yeah. So I'm all out for it.
Okay. All right. All right.
Wait, I think I changed my mind.
Who?
She can't change that.
Oh.
Huh?
She can't change that
Never
one.
mind.
Okay, okay. All right, based on her appearance, though, how much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
A good 10, man.
10.
Yeah, man. Vex.
What you like about her?
Everything. Like your name too. When name J-Love?
J-Love.
Name unique.
Okay, okay. She's your type.
Mm-hmm.
Why you pop his balloon?
Because for a first date, obviously you're dressed for a first date, and obviously like the attire is too clean for me.
What?
It's too too well dressed.
You want a road man?
No,
somebody
like,
rough.
Like I want someone like you know, like that's like open. I feel like your aura is like closed off.
Okay. We understand.
Or like you mean reserve?
Yeah, he looks like he's reserved.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, so you want a man that's
like open, like ready, like ready to go on
open? A man that's open?
I feel like he's gonna take me on a date and talk to me about all what he's got going on, like his work stuff. Not interested in me.
Is it?
No, sir. Just look now and tell her be sweet things. We're not talking about work when we're on date. That don't make no sense.
Okay. Good. How much did you rate him from 1 to 10?
7.
7. Is your type different? Oh, you say clean. Oh, you like her. Okay.
Clean. I rough up myself. I go to go and get some more than.
Was it that much, my G? Or I could give someone else?
No.
This side. Your name?
Scuba Bling.
Why you pop his balloon?
How tall are you?
I'm 5'8".
5'8".
Yeah, man.
He's only 2 inches taller than me.
Is that good?
No, it has to be minimum 5'9".
Okay, cool. Stand up on a stool.
You are gonna stand up on a stool? You gonna stand up on a stool?
Stand up on a stool, man. I think
all the day of life.
All the day of life, bad man.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Mama look good. You understand? She put herself together. And them style, you see me? I'm like, yeah, 7 still.
7 out of 10? Is he your type though?
He looks good, dressed good. Like dressing wise, preference. I mean, I could probably like see us, like we could stand side by side and like match, probably. But I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so you and him kind of look like a match already.
Dressing sense, I like it.
Yeah, I like that. Big up you. You know his style.
All right, and it wasn't a match. What could Grace woman?
Big up, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, this time. All right, so you're down to 3 right now. All right. I want you to ask each of them a question to get to know them. All right. Pressure. Put some pressure on their neck. All right. Ready? All right then. Your name, Maggie?
One barrel up on the up door.
What's his question?
Do I get to ask him a question?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Every color my favorite color.
Rainbow?
No, I'm not talking about rainbow, mama. Every color different, you see me? Rainbow color, but every color my color. I like pink. I like green.
Okay.
I like black. I like yellow, orange. You understand me? I say?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you like different colors?
Yes.
Okay.
Good, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Your name?
Sonny Champion.
What's his question?
What's your favorite food?
Favorite food?
Mm-hmm.
Think about it, you know. I like Italian food, you know. You see me? Lasagna and the pasta. You see me? Tunicado.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
I'm a bad chef still.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Mashed chicken, rice and peas, man.
Can you bake?
Bake. Cookie.
Can
Yeah.
you bake brownies?
Maybe, but cookie are my thing, you see me?
Cookies. Okay.
Yeah, man.
He's a cookie man.
I'm make juice as well, you see me? Bad juice. Yeah, man.
Good.
Cucumber and ginger and them things like that. Yeah, man.
Okay.
This is right? Eh? Okay, alright. Alright. Your name?
Case.
What's his question?
What do you work as?
I'm an entertainer mainly. So I do a lot of stage shows, I host, DJ. If you don't know what hosting is. What else I do? Make flyer, put on parties. Yeah, multi-talented man. Make music as well, so yeah.
Good?
A good genre of
Okay.
of entertainment.
Alright, this side. So you're gonna pop 1 balloon based on the answer that you got, or not feeling the vibe, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Who's gonna be? Alright, let's go. Right here. Maggie, why you kept the balloon all along?
I'm also from Birmingham and she come from London, you know. So we like the London girl at the same time. You see me? Look a different to Birmingham what we used to, you know?
Oh, Birmingham man, them like London girls.
Yeah, we like when they forward up, yeah. We like when they forward up and link with so.
Okay. Okay. Alright. That's a phone lingo. Forward up and come link on.
Yeah, can't remember London's in the south of the country.
Right. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
She bad still.
How much would you rate her?
Yeah, 10 still.
10? What do you like about her?
You know what is? Some girl, I'm not one of them man that like the makeup too tough, but you see when a girl can do the makeup and the hair put together and thing, and she know her brands them, she's not wearing what everybody wear, you know, like everybody like put on the Louis and that, she got the, but she have the bag, but she got the Yagi wear, you know, and everybody know different brands, so yeah, I like how she dress.
I don't know what a Yagi wear, that's good?
See what she wearing.
Yeah. It's like a designer for women.
Yeah, it's a bad tracksuit still.
Okay, alright. Why pop his balloon?
Could I make you meet popcorn, but you know. Or TJ or Massacre.
I popped his balloon because I didn't have enough time to think. So
Okay.
I don't know if he's my type.
Oh, you don't sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell her say you're gonna make me popcorn and TJ.
When I say I do big stage show, bro, I'm not talking about liquor stage show, bro.
Just I put that in there.
Bro, yeah, my car know say yo, we have things to bring. Not true say I talk about me a DJ and if something me out is why, you know, I can bring her some place for nice, you know?
Alright. Was it that much, my G? Or could Grace? This side, somebody pop. Oh wow. Alright. You have to tell me why you kept your balloon and why you pop your balloon now.
Because listen now, come and really get that one.
Why you kept your balloon all along?
Because we just don't want to hear everything we should have to say. Don't get me wrong, she's nice looking. I like the figure and everything. She have a nice smile, a nice like a shape and everything. You understand? You know, like a wifey. You understand me? I say,
Okay.
I feel like she gonna hurt me, dog. Cause she live in London and I can't afford to cry anymore. You understand me? I say,
You feel like she got hurt you?
yeah. You understand me? So I can't bother with it. And I just feel like she hurt me. She live in London and I live in Birmingham. I mean, it's not gonna work, man.
Alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I mean, 100%, man. She past 10. I'm not gonna lie. She
Ooh.
past 10.
Ooh.
I mean, I say, in a real life. I mean, I cook all fish and everything, cause I cook, you know. One bird like on the up, no.
Okay, alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I like men with hair.
That's how it go. I like bald, so me alright. You know, I'm very old though. I'm old, that's why, innit? So, you know, I have to keep the bald.
Maybe a 9.
9.
Thank you very much.
Easier type.
I like his teeth.
Thank you very much. You were just talking like me have to go move from my London.
Okay. Alright, my G. What's it, how much? Walk it, Grace, for me now. This side, my G. Alright, so we have a 1 male right now, alright? So you are gonna ask him question, he's gonna ask you question, and we're gonna see if there's a chemistry. Good? My G, you first right now.
Watch your baby. On my birthday, come up. What are you gonna do for me for my birthday?
Take you on holiday.
Take me on holiday? Yeah, man.
Ask me where.
Where I take me?
Italy.
Italy? Where in Italy?
The southern parts.
Southern part?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like near Milan.
Near Milan? Okay. But earlier, I said I like a particular kind of food what they only serve in the south. You should have said Venice. You should have said Venice still, you see me? But everything good, man.
Okay.
Everything good, man.
Question for him?
If you had to take me on a first date, where would you take me?
Alright, watch it pre now. When I book you a nice hotel still, you see me? In a countryside. You see me? Candles light. Your name spelling roses on the bed, balloon a drop. You see it? When I walk in a room, me sing to you. There's something in your eyes, baby, telling me you want me. So girl, don't be shy. Yeah, man, that's them style I do for you.
Okay, alright. Alright. Any more question you wanna ask him?
Are you gonna sing for me all the time?
Yeah, man, every time, man. All the way to London, man. I'm there, man.
Okay.
M6 burn up, man.
Any question you have to ask her? Final question?
Nah, man, she good, man.
Good?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, good. Father, wait, tell me there. Tell me should I there, bro. Tell me what I know. Alright, let's go. Is it that much for you?
Yeah, man, solid.
It's that much for you?
Solid, man.
Okay. Oh, Father, please, God. Come to this side. Come closer. Is that much for you? It's how much for you?
Yeah. We need more time.
More time. Yeah. Nah, man.
I'm getting hot. I don't like being put on the spot.
Where's my voice? Yeah, right there, man.
Come closer. Tell me why you kept your balloon all along?
Dog, she pretty. And she said she love food. I can tell she love food, you see me? But yeah, she take too long, man.
Alright. Alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Give her a 10 still. She has nice smile and pretty eyes, yeah, man.
Is she your type?
Yeah, man, nice.
So you were open for her?
But she take too long, dog, and yeah.
Alright. Alright. Ask her though. Made I like it for ask her.
Ask her
why she takes so long.
why it takes so long.
just need more time to think.
More time? If I dating show, you know, maybe more time. Come on, man.
How much time you needed though?
1 hour.
10 seconds.
So if you wait 10 seconds more?
Yeah.
Sorry, go on, man.
Alright.
Too long, maybe.
How much would you rate if I'm on to 10 though?
9.
9. Is he your type?
No.
Yes, I know.
Mm-hmm.
He's got a good look to him.
What that mean?
He's got a good, like, I don't know, like when you look at him, like he has a good look to him. I don't know.
But it take too long.
Okay. Alright, my G. Was it how much today? Walk your grace for me now. 10 seconds.
10 more seconds. I just needed to think.
But you do your oh my gosh, bro.
He should have waited.
He should have waited.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so was it how much today? Walk your grace for me now. 10 seconds. If him just wait 10 seconds, bro. Bro, I'm gonna feel the chemistry. Here's the jerk. Bring the chicken and the fry. Give me food, please. Please like the video. Thank you. This video is sponsored by Tasty Jerk. When you're in Birmingham, England, Erdington, link up Tasty Jerk. Best fried chicken, best jerk chicken, curry mutton. The lamb is When you get the shelly rice and peas or the curry gravy or oxtail gravy, I know you're hungry. Tasty Jerk, all right? Best place to eat your food. All right, one more hug, please. Can I get one more hug? Can I? Thank you so much, Yazid. And for Brixton, we are forward back. Me I do the last show at Brixton. So everybody who wanna be a part of the video, and for those who never get for coming at the video the last time, just send me back a DM, alright? Alright, really so easy. More one person in the comments just big up Tasty Jerk, because right about now, rockstar settings. Oh gosh, man. Cadillac outside. Skyscraper, you see? Big up Tasty Jerk. They not just sell food and lunch and thing. They make you feel like home. You see it? One Tasty Jerk. Mad. Let's go. Please like the video. Thank you. Alright, just look forward. Good. Let me get some energy, please. Alright. Bring her in. Bring her to this side. Introduce yourself.
Tiamo.
Alright. What type of work do you do?
I work in housing and I'm also an upcoming artist.
Okay. And when it comes down to a male though, what's your type?
I go with energy.
Energy.
Yeah.
So nothing physical. They don't have to have a physical feature.
Just not ugly.
Okay, I know. How do you know when a guy is ugly?
When I don't like him.
What's a big red flag for you?
When your foot back can cut sheets.
Foot back?
Yeah.
Oh, like his foot back is rough.
Yeah.
Oh, you've met one of those.
My friends.
Your friends?
Yeah.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. What's a ideal first date for you? Perfect first date.
An escape room.
Escape room?
Yeah.
Or like you guys are gonna figure out how to get out the room?
Yeah, because it shows us how we'll be in an argument. So if we can work together, we'll get out of the escape room. And if we can't get out, then I won't see him again.
Ooh, you'll just make an escape for it.
Yeah.
All right, man. All right, shout out to social.
TMO Music on all platforms. It's TAMOR.
All right, so
Music.
I'm gonna give you the option right now. I want to ask you: are you willing to pop 2 male balloons based on appearance, or you're willing to ask them question before
No,
you
I'll
pop?
ask them a question.
All right, let's go. Just one. All right.
1.
Yes. Let's go.
You choose.
All right, let's start with down there first. Right here. Your name, IG?
K. Sakabali.
What's his question?
How would you support me in music?
Support your music. I got links to studios, got links with other artists. You name it, I can do it, you know? Anything you want, I can do it, yeah.
Anything.
Anything.
Wait. Not anything. She said music, just the music.
Yeah, music.
No, music.
No, we never like when you say anything.
A music.
Okay.
Come to this side. Your name?
Lord God.
Same question.
I'm an artist myself. So that are the support, but I go pop because I don't want my partner to be an artist too. So that's why.
Okay.
That's the younger thing. I wish you the best in your career.
Thanks.
Alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
What you like about her? Come closer. What you like about her?
She my height. That's the first thing.
Whoa, that's a big thing.
Yeah, because every girl I say they like her, man. She my height. She look good. She beautiful. That's it. Tell me like about her.
What do you think about what he said and how much would you rate him from 1 to 10? He said about that you being an artist.
Well, that's what I want to do, and I'm gonna be successful in it. So, I'm not gonna change it for anyone.
And I don't want you to, but it's just my preference.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's your preference too. For
So it makes sense. You pop.
Yeah. That's
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
2. I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'll give you an 8.
Thank you.
Because the way you carry yourself.
Yeah.
But like your view on being with an artist, that's just silly. But I'll leave that to you and whoever you choose.
Yeah, because I've been around a lot of female artists.
But you shouldn't judge everybody on like based
True.
on. Yeah.
Maybe we need to change it, but for now, my mentality that right now.
And it's wrong.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Okay, walk with grace, woman now. Your name?
Scuba Bling.
What's his question?
Where would you take me on a first date?
Like right now, I just take out Jamaica straight. You understand? Beautiful island. You told them in the sun. You understand? Some nice food. You like roast bread fruit?
I'm used to being there, so.
Don't worry, man. I take it some different style. You used to it, but you're bringing from some different style. Excursion. You understand? Yeah. Bringing a ghetto.
That's okay, yeah.
Okay. I can bring her and I get her.
Yeah, ghetto.
Where?
Isn't it?
Where?
Ghetto. T-Valley.
Which part?
Yeah,
Where?
Matches Lane. You see me? I mean, you like Jamaica, you know?
You heard him?
I'm hearing him perfectly fine. I'll do it. What about who's he bringing to the ghetto?
Maybe I get the one. You see me?
I'm here trying to get out of the ghetto and you're trying to take me back.
No, your excursion, baby. I tell you, excursion.
Somebody else for him.
I'll say I bring her excursion in the ghetto.
Yeah, I can't remember. She know like, because she like music. And you have to sing about them things in the music. You want to see the real life. Come with the music too, you know. The more time to see certain things. You can't sing about
I've
Uptown
seen
all
it
the
all.
time.
You're just assuming I'm not. That's
You
not
can't sing
how I
about
go.
Uptown all the time, friend. You sing
Well, I like that. That's your perception. That you
Oh,
think
so
that's
you
what I
actually get the ghetto experience.
Yeah, that's it.
I've
Come on.
had it.
Come on to this side. Your name?
Sonny Champion.
What's his question?
You gonna sing?
Huh?
You gonna sing to me?
When?
Whenever.
Okay. Brown eyed girl.
No, not now, but like.
Walk with me. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it?
Nah, I wanna ask another one because the singing was. Do you have a kid?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many? 2. Okay.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Your name?
One girl out on the app.
What's his question?
How would you entertain me?
How do I entertain you?
Yeah. With like actually be fun.
Well, to tell you the truth, the first time I meet you, I'll just take you out to dinner. We eat red lobster. That's if you like lobster. Or I will invite you home and cook some lobster and prawns for you. You get me? I make some nice.
We like with me, I tell you. Bro. Tie her up, man.
Umberrated.
Escaping on them place, bro.
No, you can't. No,
No,
sir.
man, the girl want to tie her up, man.
Why you want me to tie her up?
That you want, no. No, you're freaking out.
Is it- Oh my gosh.
What you want?
My tick.
Bite me.
Yeah. You get me, I say?
Answer their question.
Yeah.
Answer their question, right?
That's how he answered the question.
Alright, this side. Your name?
Shane.
What would you expect from me?
Everything.
Pop. Yeah, pop it.
No, I'm not doing.
You're telling him to pop his balloon?
He said, "What would you?" I said, "What would you expect from me?" He said,
said
"Everything."
everything.
What do
So
you
what I'm
mean? Because if I'm asking you a question, it just shows your surface level, and like you need to have some depth.
No, make
like more explanation.
Yes.
Okay, all right. He asked everybody questions. Pop 2 male balloon, all right?
2.
Yeah, 2.
Okay. Can you hold this, please?
Okay.
I'm gonna pop. Come.
Looking at me, yeah.
Yeah. Come.
All right, come to this side. Over more. Why you kept your balloon all along though?
Here. Can't get over. Real?
Yeah.
Or here. Like here.
That's so.
Not like
here.
here.
Like why you look for now. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her 10, man.
Is she a type?
Yeah, man.
Okay. All right.
Why are you looking like that?
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'm gonna give you a 9 because you carry yourself well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What you like about him, why you give him a 9?
He's put together and yeah, he's got nice teeth.
Is he a type?
Yeah.
So make up my balloon.
You're too vague. Like, I mean, if you say type as in like when I'm looking at you.
Question. Yeah, well, you ask what you expect. Say everything.
Nah.
Okay. All right. Wasn't that much magic or could grace? This side. My G, why you kept your balloon all along though?
You know, in real life, she look decent, she do music likewise, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man. That's what I listen to what she say, you know what I mean? I don't believe.
Okay. Why you pop his balloon?
Because he says he's gonna bring me to the ghetto.
That's all?
Yeah. Like you just like you're reasoning behind
You know,
it.
I gotta get her.
But I'm trying to get out of the ghetto.
Which ghetto
and you're
you in?
trying to keep
England get her? England I get her?
No, but look, you're assuming.
No, England I get her, my friend. I not ask you. I tell you where we are going. You ask me where we are go there. We are go together. It's all about together. You understand? Together. You hold me hand. I'm only hand and walk through bush. You reckon in class, eh? Yeah.
No.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
7.
7.
Yeah.
What do you think about her?
Yeah, man, she's decent, man.
How much would you rate her?
Isn't it? I give her 7 still.
7 too?
Yeah, man.
You know you're lying.
Alright, you know.
He's lying.
Yeah.
Why am I lie?
I know he is.
Oh,
he knows
wow.
he is too.
Oh, wow.
You just want to get, you know what?
Okay. It wasn't that much? Or could grace someone else? This side. All right. So it's down to them to ask you questions. All right.
Okay.
Good. My G, get one question for ask her.
I think of the ask her.
I'm gonna get some volume.
Yeah. What do you like in a man, really?
Honest, ambitious, caring, yeah, adventurous. You mean like attributes or face?
No, so I'm not worry about face. Face
Yeah.
at least I probably.
Then yeah, and funny too, because I like to laugh.
Okay, yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Good.
I'm good with that.
Alright, let's go down the line. What's the question for her?
Would you let me tie you up on the bed, but handcuff?
If I can tie you up back. And then I'm gonna leave you there and walk out the room.
Nah, I got work still. I mean, run things in my bedroom, you see me? So, yeah.
When I say I leave, I'm not coming back.
Alright, cool.
Oh, so you want to tie her up?
I mean, I control. I ask her, would she let me handcuff her up on the bed? You see me? Yes or no?
I answered the question.
What do you say, sorry?
I said I'll tie you up
But
and
if
leave you
me
there.
tie you up or you tie me up?
We're both tied.
Nah, man, answer your question, right? Everything good, man.
Okay, alright. This side. My G. What's the question for her?
What would you say is your biggest red flag? Your own.
Mine? My biggest. Like, I don't really like to argue, so if we argue, I'll just ghost.
Ghost.
Yeah.
Alright, my G. Why you kept the balloon all along though?
For enjoyment. Just to hear her out, you know? She's alright, but no disrespect, but I used to woman with bigger bottom, you know? But me just did I feel out her voice, cause I like them still thick, but yeah.
So you tell me say you pop your balloon because she nana?
No, the reason why I'm popping balloon just then is because she talk about ghost. I'm like communication. You can't run up on me. That don't make no sense. If you're vexed with me for talk it out, you know?
Okay.
I talk about ghost, that now work.
Alright then. Alright. How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Face is pretty. And she shake good apart from like I said. But I'm so like
You want me to have a shelf on my back?
a shelf on your back?
Yeah.
Yeah, so my car just rest on it, you know?
Well,
that's nice. But in reality, like I give her like a 6.
6 out of 10? Based on his appearance, how much would you rate him though?
I don't know.
How much? From 1 to 10?
3?
3?
3. But he said his appearance.
Yeah, appearance.
Number 3.
To me.
And your toes are 0. What that good?
You can zoom in on my toes. My toes is cute. I always get told my toes is pretty.
Why your big toe look like that?
Why your shoes dirty?
Sure, come never prepare for this.
Well, you shouldn't be coming on here trying to talk about
But at least
anybody.
my toe no look so.
And if you take off your boxes, there's a skid mark. So you just calm down, you little self.
No.
Yours. You might as well walk with Gracie and love me alone
And
because
if you wipe
I'll
off
be
your
cool
face,
to...
you look like the Grinch.
Actually, I look the same without makeup.
It wasn't that much today. Yeah. Or I could get someone into this thing. Alright, so normally it would have been on their side. I'm still gonna ask, alright? Are you keeping your balloon?
Yeah, man.
Are you keeping your balloon, Maji?
Yeah, man.
It's back to you right now, alright?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? You want to ask each of them a question, or you want to go ahead and pop one that you're not feeling?
I'm gonna pop.
Okay, let's go. Pop one balloon.
Can you pop it for me?
What?
Can you pop it for me?
Alright, me help you out. Why? Why? You know already. You already
No,
know.
to be fair, I have to pop one.
So, okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Why you pop his balloon?
Had to pick one.
And you choose him?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Me expose her.
yeah, his question like didn't have any depth. And he's gonna ask me if he can tie me up. Like, if I'm talking about going to an escape room, why would you want to tie me up?
In an escape room.
Okay. So basically, more and challenge you. That's what you're saying?
Yes.
And you don't like that.
I want to catch you up.
Yeah.
She confused, man. Everything good, man.
I'm not confused.
How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
9.
What do you like about him?
It's like my tattoo.
Just his energy.
Yeah, man. Cool.
You like him energy.
Yeah, he's not afraid to be weird.
So him weird?
Yeah.
I'm a nerdy.
No, weird.
Okay, weird. Okay, different. Yeah, man.
Same thing still.
Yeah, I come from Mars.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Like her eyes, me give her 10 still. She a pretty eye. Yeah, pussy eye there. Yeah, man. I like it.
Alright, wasn't that much, my G? Walk it grace for me now. Alright, so we're down to 1 right now, alright?
Yeah.
So, each of you get to ask each other a question to get to know each other. Please, let's ask some real good questions. Step on some next, alright? Good? Who wanna go first?
Him.
Okay. Eh?
I should go first.
No, you go first.
Go first? Okay. Can you cook?
Can I cook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know why you're laughing?
I can cook real good.
Really good.
Mhm.
So my car and I said, because I don't really eat meat still, you know.
Yeah.
So it's like, I get me, I said, my car and I said, cook some fish. Would you cook it for me?
Can you pop it, please?
All right, then.
What? What to the fish?
Nothing.
Why am I for pop it?
Yeah. Just pop it.
No, you have to tell me why you're making popping balloon though.
I can't.
What?
You see it? Look here now. That's why I asked you.
Oh, you can't cook?
You say if you couldn't cook now,
Mm-hmm.
and you tell me one way, I can't teach you how to cook. That is a mistake right there.
So you never have a problem?
No, I don't have a problem because guess what now? I'm me the chef, you know. You understand me? I say, and you go wrong there.
Yeah, but like, what would you like? Noodles and
No.
boiled eggs and stuff for breakfast, or maybe like baked beans with like ketchup.
No, you can't eat baked bean and ketchup.
Some fried dumplings though.
Baked bean and ketchup, but still, you know.
No.
Yeah.
So can you fry dumpling?
Yeah, of course.
Okay then. But that's a problem. If you was around me now, them not gonna cook for you.
So you rather she tell you one away.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so would you have let him know if it would have been a match though?
No, because his name doesn't begin with D.
Yeah.
What? Their name has to begin with D.
So anybody a match with or anybody going a relationship with have to begin with D, them name?
Yeah.
Yeah, look for them. Well, so basically you look for your dog shit then. Because if almost that you want a dog shit, man, then simple as that. Let me walk with this.
Oh no.
No, almost that because if I did, that way I said it make no sense. Seriously. Like, red flag right there, right now. But and she have a nice smile.
So my question, would it have been a match though? Out of the blue, like was it a match, yeah? Oh, I could guess. Come to this side. What you mean D?
Like it's got to have a D.
Like D what?
Like,
Dwayne?
Damaro, all of those types of names.
Like, so why them can't change them name, them first letter them name, like you have Theodore, you have D Theodore.
Yeah, that can work.
Oh, them can just put a D, letter D in front of them name. Walk with grace. Walk. No, I never meant for you use your name. But am I bad? Alright, cool. Walk with grace. Please like the video. Thank you. Alright, people, me know you hungry. You're hungry right now. You see, because you see the plate of food in my hand, I'ma know you want some rice and peas, jerk chicken, pasta, curry goat gravy. Yes, you want it. Taste the jerk, alright? Yeah, when you're there Birmingham, taste the jerk. Erdington people, you see it? Right at taste the jerk. Big them up in the comment section below because, oh gosh, them treat me like a star and I feel like them for just adapt me. You see me, because I know I love food and you see it? Yeah, everybody in here, sir, we're not gonna get some food here on behalf of Taste the Jerk. Let me hear it. Bring her in. Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Akila.
Keela. All right. What type of work do you do?
I work in a call center.
Oh, that's good. When it comes on to a male, though, what's your type?
I like good energy, good vibes, calm.
Okay. All right. So it doesn't have to do like a physical type?
No, I'm not fussy.
Oh, you're not fuzzy. So once the energy match, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what's a red flag? What's a big red flag for you?
Selfish.
Selfish.
Inconsiderate.
Huh?
Not good at conversation. Yeah.
How do you know when a guy is selfish though? Like, do you test him? Question he asks?
I wouldn't say I test them, but like it's kind of clear by like what they do and how they carry themselves.
Okay.
Like I feel like men should be nice to women and be quite gentle. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. What's a first date? Like, what's a perfect first date for you?
I would say some type of activity like arcade, bowling, something fun.
Yeah.
And then food. I like food.
Like buzzers. Oh, you like food?
Food, yeah.
Oh, so he can bring you to Tasty Jerk.
Yeah.
Best jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, shout out your social.
My Instagram is akila.s. And that's
All right, bet. So we didn't get a pop, right?
Oh,
good. So it's up to you right now. I'm gonna give you the option to pop 2 male balloon. All right, based on appearance.
Okay.
Let's go.
How do I pop it? Like,
You're just gonna squeeze.
no, I can't help. Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's go right here. Your name, IG?
One Bernard.
Why you pop his balloon?
I don't love the face tattoo. I don't love the face tattoo.
That's all right, no problem.
Okay, fair enough. I didn't see that. Okay.
So what's about the face tattoo?
I don't know. Like, I don't mind tattoos, but like a face tattoo is quite strong and intense.
No, it's not.
I don't have any tattoos, so like compared to like me not having none, and then you got your face one, it's just a bit.
I don't understand by strong. What do you mean by strong?
It's like it's a bold look.
Like a what?
Bold, like I don't know how to
Like
describe it.
like you want to say bad then?
Not bad, just bold. Like if people have like loads of piercings on their face, I'll say that's bold as well.
Okay, then no problem.
Yeah.
How much should you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Say 7.
7.
Yeah,
Wait.
okay with that.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
She's nice and she got a nice figure and everything, and yeah, so I would give her a 10. I'm not gonna lie.
What you like about her?
She have a nice shape, nice figure, and everything, you know. So I would give her a 10, and she's nice looking.
Okay.
So
thank you.
All right, let's go down to this side. Your name, IG?
Scuba Bling.
Why you pop his balloon?
I don't like that you have your sunglasses on.
I like it. Sunglasses. I have to ask me to take off, my friend.
You should have just took them off.
No, come on, like sunglasses or something.
You don't like a guy that wears sunglasses? Why?
Like everyone here's got their face showing, their eyes. I
I
can
like,
read their
I like
eyes.
be different.
Okay, fair enough.
Is
Fair
it?
enough.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Fair enough.
I feel different sometimes, isn't it?
Okay, I understand.
Some stay.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
You want them?
Okay. Say 6.
Why 6?
No particular reason, just what I'm feeling.
You just look like a 6.
I mean, man, 6 real, 6 is real, my friend. How do you?
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Yeah, man, she decent, man, isn't it? But, you know.
How much would you rate her?
Yeah, 7 still.
7.
Nah, man.
Alright. Let's go down to the side. Your name, IG?
Lord God.
Alright, so you pop your balloon.
Few things, not just the face tattoo.
Okay.
Because I know her, and I want to G them baby mother. So, we know do them thing, they are principle, you know. That is it.
Okay.
So that's why I'm a pop it.
That's fine.
Me do go pop it anyway, but me never do just pop it straight away. We give you a chance, is what I say.
Okay.
But that in my head before you walk in, you see.
Mhm.
That is it.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10 though?
I'd say 7.
Wait, think about her.
Show up the man, 10 man. No it go man.
Alright? This side. Alright, so the man them without a balloon. Or I could grace someone, please. So it up. Alright, so we're down to 3 right now, alright? 3. Yeah? So you're gonna get a chance to ask them a question to get to know them, alright? That's good? Alright, let's go. Your name, IG?
Shit.
What's his question?
Oh, I didn't think about this. If we're to go play a sport, what sport we're playing?
Football. I put in a goal.
Oh, never mind. Pop that. You do it because I can't do it properly.
Wait, wrong with goalkeeper.
I'm sure. What am I doing in goal?
Alright.
We're gonna lose.
Alright, we now move. Alright, so why you kept the balloon all along?
She looks strong, man. You know, she had good food.
Good food?
Yeah, good food. You like she eat, man. Girl, strong, thick and strong.
Okay. How much did you rate her though?
A good 10, man.
10. Is she a type?
Everybody tie that. Okay. I saw me feeling in there, you know?
Okay. How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Rate him 8.
8 out of 10?
Clean.
Why 8?
He's coming looking clean, looks smart, looks the part.
And that's the type that you go for?
As I said, I haven't seen as type specific.
Okay. If you learn to play football.
I did used to play football, just
So
not
where
in
you put the
goal.
balloon for?
Because you tried to put me in goal. That don't make sense.
Alright then.
Okay. It wasn't that much? What could you grace from now? Alright, so we're down to 2s now, alright? Still, questions. Your name, IG?
Sunny Champagne.
If you were to cook a meal for me, what would you cook?
Cook a meal. Like what, breakfast or dinner?
Up to you, anyone.
For breakfast, I get some French toast,
Okay.
scrambled egg, and you see me some nice juice. Something like this still, you see me something light.
Why light?
Eh?
Why light? Why something light?
Yes. Why? Because the main gonna be big, you see me? So I want to start you off nice. I can tell you play football?
You still don't play no more.
Okay. So you know about the diet thing. Alright. Right, that's still.
Good? That's it?
Okay.
Okay. Just go on the line. What's your name, IG?
Okay, Sakavali.
What's his question?
What would your first ideal date be? Where would you take me?
Where would I take you? Where would I take you? I'm guessing because you say you used to play football. You're like a very active person, or was. So, you know what, we could go for a little walk, maybe a picnic, you know. Try something romantic. And then, obviously, that's for you. And then, afterwards, I like movies, you know. And I use that to judge people's character, depending on the movie they pick. So, them would make you pick a movie and see which one you pick and see if you like the film. Yeah.
Okay.
Or like if it's a good watch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We have to like the same kind of thing, you know?
Huh?
Okay.
This side? Alright, so it's down to you right now, alright? Pop one balloon based on the question, energy, because you're an energy person that you're not feeling.
Help.
Come over more. Why you kept the balloon all along?
Yeah, man, she pretty. I'm kind of like, more know what's her background. I look upon her, I try to think. Is she like Eritrean, Ethiopian, someone? I try to figure.
Jamaican.
Jamaican? Okay. Yeah, man. Chinese?
No.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, man, she take one.
How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Give her a 10 still.
10?
Yeah, man, 10 out of 10, man. She take me. I'm going to like tickle, man. You see me? Enough work, man, for dust. But, yeah.
Right. How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
Let's say 7.
7? Is your type like spiritually, like vibes?
No. Like, you seem kind of mellow. Like, yeah. A little more.
So you need it little more what?
Tuggish.
No, like you can't just stand in here like it's normal.
Oh, so you need the energy more high?
Yeah.
So if his energy was higher?
Not necessarily energy,
Yeah,
like
from 5 o'clock, you know, right? I mean, I drop.
I hear it. You hear about two though. And you know.
Man, I hold it up, man.
All right then, my G. Was it that much today? Walk with grace, woman. This side. All right. So we have the last male right now, all right? He's going to get to ask you a question. I want you to ask her a question that's mind-blowing, my G. Is it? And you're going to get to ask him back a question. We're going to see if there's like a movie spark, all right? Let's go. You first.
Alright. If you was to get married and it was overseas, what country would it be in?
I feel like it'd have to be Jamaica. A lot of my family's there. There's lots of doesn't have to be the common like Ochi and Negro places. Somewhere small, low key, pretty.
Question for him? He asked you a good question.
I'm not good at questions. Are you a handyman? Like, can you get things done around the house?
Yeah. Can't do anything really and truly.
Anything, like fix a toilet?
Can fix toilet, put up shelf, fix a sink, plumbing, you know?
Okay.
Them something, yeah. Can't do them something, just yeah.
Question for her now?
I already asked me.
Yeah, you have one more. Just one more.
This one.
Yeah.
I noticed that you didn't come in here with no makeup, which is kind of like, why is that? Like, why don't you do the makeup thing?
Partially because I feel like I missed the time to learn. When everyone was doing it in high school, I weren't doing it. And I'm not punctual enough. So like if I'm to be faffing around with makeup before I'm going somewhere, I'm not making it on time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Time always a fight, yeah?
Yeah. I'm always late.
Last question for him from you.
You said that you would judge me based on what movie I pick. What's your go-to genre?
So I kind of like all kind of movies, you know. So really and truly, as long as it's a good film, I'm good. But if I was to pick a genre, it'd probably be like sci-fi and action.
All right. Good? That's good?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, boy. What you think? Feel like it's so much. Boy. All right. Is it that much for you?
Yeah.
Is that much for you?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, Jesus. Ooh, shalom. Is that much for you?
Yeah.
Is that much for you?
Yeah.
So we have a match? Yeah! Yes! Come on, let's get this. I'm gonna get walk with grace. Let's go! Yes! You see what I'm doing right there? Something say, who shall I? Yeah, you see what I'm doing right there? Yo. Oh gosh. Yo, man, happy. I am so happy. That was a match. Come from Jamaica, and I'm making people fall in love, all right? I'm the Jamaican Cupid, all right? Yo, Manchester is a place that I want to go. So anybody from Manchester, send me a message to be on the list. You see, because rain or shine, me I gotta go Manchester. You see, somebody gonna link me. I'm gonna reach there. And which part we wanna go? Like, which part else? North London, East London, connect me, all right? Remember, we are going back to London itself, south, all right? So send me a message, and we're going to keep an after party, like a fly away. What would I call it? Fly away? No, bro, go away. Leaving. Back to Jamaica party. You see me? So, that are the before we go, that are in our army. You see me? So, send me a message. If you want to be a part, you see it. If you want to come on board, you see it? It's going to be a big thing, all right? Let's do this. Remember, big up my main sponsor, Tasty Jerk. Because right now I'm hungry. And I'll be getting that jerk chicken, fried chicken combo. You see me? Eh? Okay, all right, cool. We are wrap it up already? Bro, I miss them, bro. What? We just start. All right then, Chad. I miss you now. Can I get a last hug before I go? Bro, make the battery just dead and while me I hug them. You're tall, bro. You so tall. Yo, me not like that. Yo, people, big up on yourself. No joke. Love alone. From reach England. Everybody I show my love. From the start on like people in some comments I say pack up this. Some of those pack it in a suitcase and just fly with it. You see it? That's the only packing me I do. Cause they not like all the time. Chips.
Got this banana chips for you. No, but you. This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make a crunchy.
GCT forever and ever. We say goodbye.
Call them so much team of a boss. Call them so much team of a boss. Call them so much team of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.